Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make a video tutorial on Searchhelper. So you guys commented out that please make a video on Searchhelper. So today we are going to work on it. Before working on Searchhelper, let's first understand what Searchhelper is. Basically, we have last week we have developed Searchhelper plugin. It basically working on searching functionality. If you are Flutter developer, you have encountered Flutter functionality most of the time while you are working on big applications. So we have write some code that is helpful for you guys. It basically provide three methods. One is word search, second is string instant search, and third is search model. If you want to search in a list of map, then the first two methods are best friend or the helper functions for you. But if you want to search through a list of model, the list of your defined model, then you have to use that method. Now let's understand what are the parameters that it take and how it works. First of all, a word search method and string instant method. I think all the three methods uh, takes exactly the same parameters. Just search model takes one extra parameter inner object. Other things are same. So let's learn about how word search and string search works. First of all, it takes data parameter. If you want to perform search on list of map, then you have to perform that list to the data parameter, and then you will perform search on few fields of the map. Suppose if you want to search for the user or the student whose name is Osama, whose name is Naveed, so basically you are searching based on name, right? And the third parameter is search word. Suppose if you want if you want to look the list of student and you have to find student named Shakir, so basically you have to pass the word Shakir to that search word parameter. Now let's get into it. First of all, you have to install the plugin as I have did before. You have to paste that line into the pubspec.yml file. After placing that, you have to click on pubget, or you have to write there flutter pubget. And then now let's move to our actual implementation of the plugin. Now, as we stated that you can implement the whole searching functionality in just one line of code. Yeah, you have listened correctly. You can implement a whole search functionality in just one line of code, because this is the beautiful thing of the plugin. So this is the default UI that we get when we create a Flutter project for the first time. Now let's remove everything and write it from the scratch. First of all, sorry, we have to import the material package, and after importing material package we have to create our main function. My app, and then we have to create a widget for that, my app, which basically returns material app widget. And in the material app widget we have property called home. So basically home is nothing but the first layout that you basically screen when the app get launched. So in this video I'm not going to explain, I'm not going to create the UI part, as I know you are Flutter developers and you are expert. So uh, I'm just using the UI that I have created with me. So let's run it. Okay. Let's restart it. You can see Flutter developer don't have to learn everything from scratch. Every error we have to face it by ourselves. Now after restarting the application, the error got fixed. It was nothing but just some fixing need to be there. Now in this screen you can see I have two widgets. One is text field for the searching, and another is the list of you can see the list view. In this text field we have to search anything that contain in this list view will come there. So it's basically just searching functionality. If you can see this in the init state, I have copied the data into the filter list. Filter list is a list of map with string, comma dynamic as a data type. Now let's see what is basically data. So I have created with myself a list of map which contains some information like name. Basically this information belong to a flowers family, one family named Erica, species and genus. Exactly, there are some families I have written there with their species and other information. Now I want to search through this list. Now first of all I have to make a copy of the original data which I have stored in the filter list, right? Searching feature in the text field. First of all I have to implement on change method. What basically on change do is it just listen to the change that you type in the text field. So first of all I have to check if input is empty, so mean we are not searching for anything, or we have cleared the text field, so this means we are not searching for anything. So in this case we have to again assign the original data to the filter list equal to original data, and then we have to rebuild the UI. For rebuilding the UI we are calling set state, right? And this is the most interesting part, the searching implementation, sorry, the searching implementation will be going there. How it will going there? Suppose our input is not empty, this means that we have typed something in the text field. So now how search helper are going to help us there? First of all we have to create object of the, sorry, we have to call the static method of the search helper class. Search helper dot, as we are searching in the list of JSON, then we have to use either word search or either string instant search. So in this case I am using string instant search. What string instant search is basically do, it if you type a and then this a will be lookup in the list. If anything contains that a, then all the data will be populated to the list. So first parameter is data. So our data is in filter list. Okay, the second thing is keys. Now keys is something on which you want to implement the search. In this case I want to implement the search on a basis of name. I want to populate all those elements whose name field contains search word like in this case input. So this basically perform the searching and then they will give us a result. Now let's check how the result is in the form. It's again giving us the list of map. So again filter list equal to this, and then we have to call a search rate. So here we have implemented our search feature in just one line of code, right? Now let's restart it again, and you can see the magic after app restarting. Come on build, come on. I think it's built. Okay, now I'm going to type word ABC. So I think these elements don't have ABC consecutive, so I will get empty list A, B and C. Yeah, you can see the search is working like awesome, and we are able to search anything in the list. Suppose I want to search for ACE, any word that contain ACE. So you can see all the words that contain ACE consecutive are coming here. Now let me search for Shakir, AKIR. So nothing contains Shakir, that's why it's not coming there. So hopefully you have enjoyed that video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and looking forward to see in the next tutorial. Thank you.